Sompa TV so no yada wase ama wa ha wiai nsam no dɔso ana yade eba Ghana mampani na nado dankwa ekufo ato wane Ghana dwumayefo nyina kasa won kramantam no yede mu asem ebrew
adwumayefo nkabobu kuwa babonte de adesrede ma ban efa enne wonum nyina edadie ne ho kane
mampani John Dramani Mahama so ede nsam bi eto akire ewa adwumayefo eda no ho
na sanso na adwo so abaton pesia so de wayi ni sem pipi okogyina mu primra hyebadwa akonwa no yewra yi edi nkunim no wadan sem piedi ene de akire
ne nsam no watwa baabi ede atoso ekyere se woni bibia de da o mase se empuntu
na MPP titire ni ede ma wonom yewra intim enso kyere se yewra kwabra diomi obe na fam de nyina amana saba MPP amanyoko
national organizer de ma MPP amanyoko no yewra na bi na kasai wono so ede nsam bi tudwane nyina no ye dwoso abaton pesua no so asem
ensem no edoso ena enne awie ye de eba beso mo se kase abusia eya akaye ho ewo Sompa television so Sompa 93.1 FM eno wa Sante Mantam Sanso ena Sompa 98.9 eno so ewo Sunyane Bro Mantam for 80 de fa ho na wode wane kyeremo ewo Tachi Mike Ntampon Kranza ene Atebu Mpotam ho de Abono East fo nyina no 80 de fa Sompa 90.7 kwa www.sompaonline.com na 80 ye fa onsam no sa kokenka bi free wo Facebook no aya Sompa TV Ghana ana Sompa 93.1 YouTube TikTok Twitter Instagram any link in no aya Sompa TV ana se Sompa FM aboafo ya wonum eboa ya kase no eni
asede womo ya de ma mizo de ya fra ne de ya mfra ya 5G ho asam so etachire abusua ayetietia wonya bia asam no wase de ohia na sa woni Dr. Salas ebebo emponimpo wokasa nyina no be yetietia nti bomoten na ene no enhia awia yi me kanfo na media ma wo se brenkoi afa na premo ato wosimu a yankrabata no dos ba bia oben no na wakọ ho na ya adwuma no kama ede ma ya ne siatica expert no 21st clinic ho asam na me kanfo awia yi na media ma ayam tim sisiade koko ene tipa ye pa na atena wo so acha ba bi ba akopɛ na me kanfo dem o se 3A Herbal Center na do efe ne se koko master no eya modema on sanka bi na ebeye ni pedua no mu adwuma ba adwuma se enkonwa ya wo hawo ne mane bia so any of course we are the fastest internet in the world cloud internet from top high wani ye nuanom Love FM ane ti enhwane mu ade bia fa internet ho bia no oya ne kadua na wode ama ya so ne so setano so apatrapa new site ho Dr. Abe of Abe Herbal Clinic wo be ko na wone ne dom biti gidi ada jeni posokra ifi juada kosi fiada biti pa yare bia dro bia kadem wokona watena na kunya kese mu a honhom fa ne honam fam wo ye adwuma na simple kra na ode ama wona dawro ma na wie yesin kunya ye den sam na bro
medi de ohene ire ma me akua yeboa asia mabronya enafe
nana kwabana kese Ghana mampani His Excellency na nado danko akufuado na kasei wapani wane Ghana for edin komo ewo Black Star Square ewo enkran mantam mu ene eya adwumayefo da ayiko adwuma ene wode ma Ghana for gina senkoten ene edin siyomu ekokohwi asemu ni ade gina so ye gina ho ede ma oman Ghana na ye adwuma kyekyere Ghana ye gina na obia eye na afamu de na wode atodwa etrese enche na ye kwoto aba nyame ya atomo a abato na ye kwakoto no enye ma enye sekantwe enye wisa mu bo da bi entiase wodo de wo pe na wato aba no edema no na manfo ewa yamhihie anisuro na wo ka se wono ya wo ye mampani no wo ka che Ghana ni bia ni wiase nyina se obi anka na koma emfanto ne yam we no eyare dada no a de aye no mfie nwotwe atwamu ni ade no a ne yesa aye entinya ade bia ehu bia enti wo sre Ghana fo bia anye na afamu de sabaya nyame ya atomo abato no be ya somde nanso so no wono so dinsia kantam se kwa bia so de wo so ye bia ma abato na nim abato na mu ni abato na chi ya somde no obaye ne simple.
It is imperative that we recognize the crucial importance of maintaining peace and stability throughout the electoral process. Elections are the cornerstone of democracy, providing a platform for the expression of the popular will and for the peaceful transfer of power when required. However, they also have the potential to divide rather than unite if not conducted in a peaceful and transparent manner. Indeed, the theme for this year's May Day celebration, Election 2024, The role of workers and social partners in securing peaceful elections for national development underscores the pivotal role that each and every one of us has to play in ensuring that our electoral process is free, fair, transparent, and devoid of violence. Indeed, the destiny of the nation hinges upon the collective actions of workers and social partners to safeguard our democratic principles and uphold the rule of law. Ladies and gentlemen, Ghana's track record as a bastion of democracy and peace is an enviable one that needs protection. Our democratic processes have stood the test of time, especially under the Fourth Republic. We have undertaken so far 8 successive elections, whose results have given rise to 3 peaceful transfers of power from one party to another since 1992. I am confident that on 7th December 2024,
Ebusiana ene aye mede die no ekoso ewo eye Black Star Square ho no mampanyin na no si yape na wo de wani kiremu ewo Trade Union Congress enso a wonom trefo panyin Ra Anthony Yaba wono so eja kasamode nsam dodo na to ja se adwuma ya wonom ye no eso na so ya na eho niema ewosa wonsa kama asetemu ye die nso no eye adwumayefo chefa na to de bia na akwaye boache bi din tina ban ne mua na wonhwe se be adwumayefo nyina asetemu no enkoso ene yedie ebetimi aboeremu.
Ghanaian workers and their families are grappling with high cost of living and inflation of over 25%. Exchange rate of the cedi is now almost 14 cedis, if not more, to $1, compared to about 4 in 2016. That means workers who earned monthly salary of 1,000 Ghana cedis in 2016 were taking home the equivalent of $250. Today, 1,000 Ghana cedis is only $71 US. The depreciation of the cedi at this monumental scale, that is about 250% depreciation, represents a huge decline in living standards of Ghanaians generally and workers in particular. This is so because of our over-reliance on imported goods such as medicines, refined petroleum products, and food. These prices are directly affected by the exchange rate of the Ghana cedi in terms of the major international currencies such as the US dollar and the pound sterling. What it means is that if we want our cities to be stable, we should reduce imports and consume what we produce in Ghana. Furthermore, as we all know very well, Ghanaian workers rely on loans to meet very basic necessities such as rent advance and our children's education. And in some cases, we even have to rely on loans for food. Today, we are paying interest rates of 30% to access loans from the banks. In the informal economy, interest rates can even be as high as 50% or even sometimes higher.
Ebusia ye royal ba wa mana no ampem ho awoto aso ede enei etiasem ya wonom de ato afi mede die no so se ye nyina ye hwabo ne titiru adwumayefo ene asetena mu kabie manen kabi wom efo nyina ebo wo homoden apriye die na wo mo aprasomdue ede ama afi wesi abato na etimi abo wo man empuntuo no wo fa so de abasobode so no kopa de mayera IGP akufu dampare se wabone homoden se de wo se de ne emetoto akwan mu no wo di ya wa rehemu mapasa afia bato no ye boa ye ho ewura mu ene na chinyina no ye nyina ye betimi akoso anom asomdwe boa.
Let me shift our attention to the theme of this year's May Day celebration, and that is election 2024, the role of workers and social partners in securing peaceful elections for national development. As in the previous election years, we chose this theme to emphasize the need for all Ghanaians to work very hard to maintain the peace we are all enjoying in Ghana. As we all know, Ghana has not done too well in economic management, but at least we are enjoying some peace compared to other countries in our sub-region. And the peace we are enjoying is priceless. So we should never allow partisan politics to destroy this peace. This is the only thing left for us as Ghanaians, and we should do everything to keep it. It is against this background that the Executive Committee of TUC selected Dr. George Akufu-Dampare, the Inspector General of Police, for a very special May Day award in recognition of his excellent leadership of the Ghana Police Service.
Abusiani pa yete ne ketrefo panyi edema TUC no yewura Anthony Yalba enini din. Abusian eda so aginamu ewo ene adwumayefo eda no ho. Na kane mampani John Dramane Mahama so nam aba fontentamfide no so efa so a edi enkomo na yede asem ekotwe ho ma obi nya bi ehwe ne bi. Na ne nsam a wakurukyire no sei na esi etie. Wachire se wonam ensemfo atia yi so ebo Ghana adwumayefo abaso wakase Ghana adwumayefo enye bia na oboa nanso so no omma no nso ho a obia enyere no ho na wonye na afamu de se baya 24-hour economy a waka ho asem no ebetimi anam so ma Ghana atimi abaya krabehwe wei ayensem tie ya odema Ghana fo nyina kane mampani John Dramane Mahama no anso na ekura franka ediama NDC amanyoko no abusia ye bwara mu ewa Asante Mantama sen majo so botso mpesua so na enroda na ejebo ejana bedru ye abrewa eyipuma kwemo emaba election no etimi etintim so na kwawie ye no na MPP ye rakwabra boten ya wogire mu lawyer edema amanyoko no ena na atam kunima boten no ede asoa na enumu no bra na wode ne kasa etudwa ewo ne nkunimdie echi no ena wo kan sempidi achira amanyoko ne ma ene echitafo ne nyina se breni nie wono mu bibi ba kwa na se mienu nte no won buofu amanyoko na ma wapa won ho ede efra amanyoko ni mu no won hwe se wobeye wafam de bia se beya obetimi asa kwa akotwe wonom ede aba amanyoko no ne nyina yetimi abomu ama amanyoko no so no etimi atodwa na etimi egira ne na so na fipi mienu ene aduonu na abato no wonom etimi ekukuru adwa no asai atena so bem lawyer kwabra boatensem a woda na di no ebini.
Some of these things are typical of party democracies. After elections, whether it is internal or it is with at the national level against other political parties, these things do happen, especially with internal elections. They do happen. The tax is for us to go down and then talk to our people. They are our people. They are our people. I do not think that the party is minded, or that me as MP elect is minded to neglect anybody. Not at all. Political parties are built with multitudes. You need the people. So my task is to go down there and then be with my people, listen to them. Whatever constitutes the disagreement, my job is to make sure that we judge and find the common grounds that will benefit.
Ebusia yesese wo pedom na wo pamododo a wonko a wugina apaso yeru akwabra boatin lawyer ye ne wayi ni se wo mepre mra shebedwumadwa enfama adehia eno ewo aye edwoso abaton peso yeso MPP amanyoko ne dim no ena wo chese waba na amanyoko so ye de dom ena chichirente no wo ba behwe wonu mo fredi ekwa akodidi ebi eru amanyoko ahodo mo ebi da so te ba bi omote na no wokofa wonu nyina de abamu bi efise MPP amanyoko ne de wonum enchiri se wenko anase wentina sebe ya manyoko no onho be ye den na watimi edi nkonim ewo afia batom nintem no eno oda wodi nkonim wieye eno oda ne nyina di editre
ye da so agiramu ewo ne nsam no mu na nsam no de nsam Paulo nsam nkuma na nkumpa na wode atudwa ne fa ba bi no okere se wiase onipa ya ade a ose ayeye nti da ne da na kwabra se ma metaka na se oyire ya abekwa ma na ye wode na wo bo oyire abaso no eya na waka nipa na wodu abe no so na wabɔ na baso no so de atudwa ya wode atoso pepepe etere se oni a woye adwuma obi ade ne taku sempo ade ben fifire ni ade nyina obi afam de ya woye boa ne bia no wode Awurade Nyankopɔn din ena da na se ewo de dikan na de toso mienu no so no oni bibia ade wo asedachi de ma wo mo se empuntuo mapa ena wode beba adwoso erasam ni.
Absolutely. I think it is the government that provides the resources for the development. The development comes from the government. And it's that same government presenting me as you know, I came on the ticket of the government. So it is on that platform, you know, that I'm also standing. So whatever development the state would share, my job is to make sure that I lobby and, you know, get a fair share for the people of Ejisu. And I think government is minded to do that, especially this year, which is election year. A lot of projects are going on, and Ejisu will have its fair share.
Lawyer Kwabra Boatin wono na yato aba no de ama ewo dwoso abaton pesua so ya wosi NPP amonyoko no edinimu
na edwoso abato empesa so abato by election course no enam so ama national chairman de ma NPP amonyoko yera 17 enso edinsi akantam senfa woni de sasabo de be ya bre wakotodwe empo ene awobremu no wobe na afamu de nyina se be ya yewura kwabna eduomi ya ene wate ne wose kontakro no wobe sa twe no ede na ba amonyoko ni biemu no munyina etimi bomo akonkoden apretume no e de atena so
also doing splitting and leaving the camp, and personally as chairman of the party I'm not comfortable. We should be able to bring them all back to the fold, the party's fold, so that come December 7th there will be no surprises. We should be able to carry the Ejisu seats with ease as against this evening. So that's my next focus, to make sure that the party is reconciled amongst itself. That's what we are looking at, the way out. We don't expect Adumi to make overtures to us. We don't expect him to do that. So as chairman of the party, I'm going to take that mantle upon myself. It shouldn't be difficult. It's a matter of, are we going with the butterfly or we are going with the MPP? That's the question they should be asking themselves. And I'm sure they will fall naturally to the MPP. The credibility of the album, that issue has not been brought to my attention yet. Because from the national, we don't get involved into the nitty-gritty details of the constituency albums. So if there's anything, we are not going to call for inquiry to find out where there are issues and try to rectify them. We have reconciliation committees at every constituency, at every region, and also at the national. We have reconciliation committees put in place for these purposes. So we will use this machinery to address all issues bordering on disputes and reconciliation before we get into the December general elections. There are
Ebusia we say national chairman edema MPP amanyoko yera 17 abato empesia so ejoso abato ekọ ho no ekọ awie yepe ɛna yɛwura kwabena aduome ne ɔfaama no bi paa ne nyinaa no ɛyɛ 21,536 ɛna wɔnya yɛ representing 43.24%. ɛna yɛwura kwabena boaten ɛnso nya 27,782 yɛ no so gyina hɔ ma ɔhama buche hama chichemu no aduonum enum na chiri point so ɛne enkono ɛsɛ 55.79%. ɛna wɔkyɛse aduome wɔfa mani bi pant no wɔbɛhwɛ ayɛ na afam di asaka no ɛde aba amanyɔkɔ sɛ bɛya wɔn nyina no wɔn ɛbɛyɛ du no mu ɛtimi akɔpre tumi
abusua yɛ da so gyina mu ɛwɔ saa nsɛnsɛm no na nsɛm pii ɛna ɛkɔ so bra na yɛbɛto aba no abatoɔ no mu ɛne abatoɔ no awieyɛ na deɛ wɔ mu ni yɛnhyɛseɛ ɛwɔ abatoɔ no anim mu a mukuta phones ahodoɔ a ɛtimi sende adeɛ ma obi na obi nso timi sende bi ma wo no deɛ videos no ɛme sɛ wonya bi hwɛe na wonya bi hwɛe no sɛ bia na onte ase papa entitawaso din video no na wo hu sɛ private car ready bi ɛnena mu no emu asɛm ɛna mede wo kɔ akyire ma kyerɛkyerɛ mu ɛde akyerɛ wo empanifo ya ɛwɔ adwoso abato mpasua no so ehunu ensɛm we nyinaa ɛkeka ho asɛm a ama nsɛmtwerɛfo nso ne yɛwɔ hɔ nti yɛnso so yɛnsa ɛka bi na deɛ wɔ mu ni national organizer edema NPP amanyoko no Henry na naboacho bono mrane na nabi ɛna kasa na wɔtere sɛ Debio na wono de onim kura sɛ Ghana ni bi betimi agyina ba bia kasa asɛm ya ye ne na namframa mu sɛ amanfo atisika ɛna akɔtɔ tumi ɛwɔ adwoso abato mpasua no so to ne beje wonya tonko ade a wo beje wonya genko ade a wo beto ye kɔ so no akoye nsɛm bebere na mohwɛ ye a ebra na dwumadie no ekoso a na yi simpanifo bia bɔ ne sese awi a miaya ni nyina so mpanifo gya hɔ no mu a ekoso no Fumasua Pentecost Church police station hɔ police station code na ɛyɛ F311503 ya na circulate ɛwɔ video no mu nyina kyerɛ sɛ owura bia be pake private car ready bia gyina hɔ no mu a uduru hɔ no mu a na wɔde ɛma wo envelope ahyɛ wo nsam sɛ gye na ɛkɔto aba je na ekoto aba sa wokoto ma hwanye o sa wokoto ma hwanye o ehun nsa no de akoye bebere na no ka ho bi ama Henry na naboache aba monte so mo ne nsantwerofo edin ko no sa asam no kura no wono waba ho no mu fira no pa no akosi anwumere no wonim ba bi asa asam no kura firi ya manfo ani abre den ya manfo type o manfo sende ya o mo ka ho asam Henry na naboache
so say we do na obi so ni tuma sem but na o hwe ne nsem ayo ne enyama no kekana so ni na I cannot trust Sebia Owenia. MPP, yes. Good to get MPP near Fremana, MPP need to be Haman and MPP. And we don't know I'm aircraft will be a unicorn, maybe a man. Usually, such a Casa, you know, or say even the country is not safe under MPP to develop because yes, we much Sika model. Ultimate country will be a for say, when am I, the country is not even safe under MPP. MPP could want to register the be 6 months here. Also, a dark baby. A different who say, should be new energy. There should be a revival in the positions. I do a massive stronghold. Don't come over, vote out in in fact, now, then out to Mokwano. Last 4 years, 83%. Also, we might also hit the here. Constitution. But we will call the end of the problems. Problems do on my money. The two problem of which we are resolved. But let's be a young 1 month after communities, some community or transfer to be our problems. Which must already here. If you want to be also to one among and then say, I'm not my video. Oh, the big one of our niches now. 1,000% we supporting the national chairman on say we need to in fact on the key general reconciliatory statement that or say a fact. This one is now you need to national said you would reconcile the party in 2024. I 1,000% agree with my national chairman. But however, some people naturally cannot be reconciled. Some people naturally cannot be reconciled. In the federal one who are between us about your sad bank, now be and maybe we say and yet the discussion will should not be about what doing. It should be about a new pumping to more constituency.
Area pram to be kase na yeguso ayade ma Sompa TV so na wie uguso a wo hwe bi no woni a owobono na po ye fam ekuramu e wo Sompa 90.7 Sompa 90.7 woni a owobono na afen so hafo ene ne mpotamu ekwanya akon ne chiame ni moni abusuafo no nyina so kuramu e wo Sompa 98.9 Sompa 98.9 woni a wo asante mantam kropon kumasimu e fa bi e wo Sompa 93.1 FM Sompa 93.1 FM ye nyina ne akabo ma wie yade ensam no bro ye kuyanim wo ensam fofrom
ye ram won sem fofrom na ejoso abato mpesua so ho ene eda so ejina na enu oda ena abato na ekoso no ene apawa bi efiri ho ebeto wiemu ene yententa fidie no so ni nyina ene se kwada so abato mpesua so ma hwebedwane ye Rakins nyako ene yese abato komisa no wo yi vlepukufu bi edito wonum table so mo fanye den wonum njese be ya obeko ede ama MPP ewo abato ni mo na asem we say enam so amayera hopes na doye wono eka movement for change amanyoko no eho ena wo kire se ene ade a enye no wo kina enye enu ade no so no ewo se ene so ye botugu se enya de papa na ni nyina ne se de waye na wo hwe ani mu se nkempanyifo behwe na nka emla awedre na ba bia safata no woda kwa akogina ho na so aye sempanyifo ye de kataso muamu aso waye MPP ni nti ana sesen enu nti na asem a wakanyina no ene sese aban mu mpanyifo aprosifo anhwe na wa mamra anya dwuma anchi ye Rakins nyako amamra no eni no anwene dia 2024 abato kase no senya dru wode a wo munyina mu dom ho bagim na obi anso ne ho betimi ayo obi hwe wo krom ase no ye hope sensem
election that I can describe as a monocracy election. You saw a lot of inducements, openly people sharing monies. Thank God one of your cameras captured an MP giving a fat envelope to officials for lunch. All these people contesting, they pay filing fee, and EC use the filing fee to give it to them to buy their own lunch. When we were here, they brought some snacks to them from EC. An individual, you cannot go to the police station, and you see, it's a crime that police need to arrest Kingsley Nyako and then prosecute him. I say they need to arrest him and prosecute him. He has broken the law. It's a crime. You don't need to do that at the police station. And because it's MPP MP, they are closing their eyes over it. If any other person do that, will you attempt to do that? If they don't arrest him, December, we are all going to do same at the police station. We saw them. The monies that they shared today here is more than the IMF money that they went for. I'm telling you, people are getting 2,000, 3,000, 1,000, and the rest, and you are saying what? But you see, this is a by-election. December, they should mobilize themselves and give the whole Ghana such monies. Come what may, they are going to opposition. December 7th, Ghanaians will sack them.
I was asking car MPP for the Maya Wabato we say mono I'm Sika kwaje nookrasa besia no kra no ya broso nti no ye hopes na doye na watch say ya amafosem na ye Rakins nyako ye no ye bone nti ye hwe na eho asotwe no ye ntime emfama no
abusia bato no mu nsam de akoye se obatan empase ne ma bebre yegusoa ya ye chechire mu de koso na ye de akyerɛw na ye Rakins eho asam no de abusia egentre hapa o abefo ntintafi no so da bon krata mu ani ade de ono ane din na ebo animu a obia ka ho asem na anopai waba mountain one nsɛmtwerɛfo kasa no tese wono Kingsley ya ono no sika no kro no o sika bi na wode sika bi akoto table so de ama yisi official bi se wonye da bi no sika no kro no wode ma yisi official no a ya se wonye ne den won fa nkoto fufuo ni ana se won fa nkoto abete Ghana fo bi so kasa o na wo de yente na asɛm
if I wanted to do think that I would have done that in the public space. Because I'm saying that when I'm done, I will talk about. But what I want to put on record is that I've not bribed anybody, I've not influenced anybody to vote or to do anything untoward for my candidate. I've not done that. I'm a citizen, and if people think that I've done something untoward, it is their own. They are right to do so. But I'm saying that I can't influence the EC officials who are trained, who are honest, who are disciplined to do anything untoward. I cannot do that. And I cannot do that in the public space. I know that I've not influenced anybody. I've not influenced the process. I don't feel bad because I know I've done nothing wrong. Okay, I know it's politics. People are going to spin. We've been in this political game all this while. And those who are spinning, I don't begrudge them. That's politics. But me, Kingsley Nakon, I'm putting on record that I've not done anything, whether overtly or covertly, to influence the process. If anybody raised anything against me when I even put the document to the person, there's an issue. So people say somewhere and they cry wolf. I mean, that is unfair, but it's the game. I accept a politician. It's like they didn't know what that, and they sit down and conclude and say that I'm trying to, I'm beyond that. I cannot do that.
Okay, anyone sample from?
Some crona near Dasso Ejemuna, Yuranyako, and Isikaya, so the Kwama, Batso Bedjan, Crophobia, and one shall but one sono, and nay, about the Toja Senator Commissano, I Ejisu, found and watching, and I be a friend of Nanakwabna Abrampa, where programs director at the Center for Democratic Development. One also by a dresses, easy, and you might form you know, one and Sakan Sesicano, well, she said, ye punishment and asa so be ebetimi ede ama wono no mo fo mo hune na eno akine so mra shebadwam so no wonom empapa dwako bi sebem betimi aye hwehwemu ede afasa asem ya esi ye no ehuna na brampa ensem bi nie
politics and the expected calculate and sana will be and go through primaries now to you win primaries na on a contest on a constituency and some of the parliament a kind of the so okay abuse of friends and the cost of politics report that shows before will be everything that go through that process the person needs around $80,000 say it was then and they say no like a 1 million Ghana cedis 800,000 Ghana cedis sorry they say a $1 million Ghana cedis because the dollar then was 7 point something they say dollar 13 point something they say over 1 million Ghana cedis me am down for be an contest elections only me didn't come up or yeah assessment in area no or say when the campaign team advice is so also make it rules this will around 1.2 million Ghana cedis just this last primary share in the actual sika akosha batum and the danger it posed to us it is some of these things are more than Roma media that Roma multimedia out then but some of the report already political parties ending to and it's really a good caller I mean the so the identity then what make us various media platforms I mean electoral commissioner media sebo quick adam for back so wakasaye na area look obenkrum say idea is to one money finish and see idea as they say I highlighting their image and see we are proactive no take a quick decision no mama class and yes we be kase James Abufe and I see quick warfare and I will be a warfare until class about to marry because I have trust said we need power security to protect me. If that's the issue, I will mobilize all my last efforts to make sure that the elections are won at the polling station.
I was seeing any part in a can see the Ghana, one of my Jumaya, Pena, Wotriano, Sadrata, Yerua, Nana Quabra, Abrampa, and Ninsem, Yaboma would say. And some of the Edaswa, Egusa, and some Swa, Guswa, Churchill, the SCN Pennyphobin Samoa. What they are to actually at the Mamu, natural for Penny Abedi actually at the NDC, Amanyo Koyura, Mustafa Bandina, Kasei. Wapadino Sama Waka, and say, hey, what can the chilla wound, Ekabibia, say. Say apostifo ye wo Ghana hapa etrase na yeru akinsenya komantimi ankyere no pa vananko gina mranim ama mra no ene na ani ekere se na Ghana no ene ye wo kwan atwa na omo NDC amanyo koronya de se ombeka omano atomu da omo ntrante da de oso mo ye bia ene praga akwa na oso omo from befo abobo ya akro ombetenam ekwan bia so yeru akinsle nya ko mbehwese mra no ene no bedi nasem ni
see any monetization. So your election now my delegates and as a delegates. And then we have monetization. And now the act of bribery attempted to bribe a public officer on duty of elections. I believe with the sole intention of compromising the officer. But the purpose of a political game. Now it is even more confusing in the back. Besides, among we they were in Ejisu sharing money, which will be a stronghold first of all, which has recorded only 49% in this election. Means amount for a man, but it is a stronghold. And the general perception is that when you are incumbent, the people who vote for the government benefit, so they are excited. Wasn't there in Ejisu. Number two, MP, we will prevent him from going to parliament because he is a thief. Any suspected criminal must be subjected to police investigation. And to invite the EC officer and taking a statement is not the end of the matter. In the criminal law, when you are caught or suspected to have indulged yourself in a criminal conduct, the only solution is for the police to invite you or arrest you, subject you to investigation. I evidence that are available. You say 12 news about woman and a complimentary elections. Number two, clearly it means going into 2024, some elements of the temporary employees of the Electoral Commission might be relooked because one, we probably now duty now chance you envelope now the envelope you know cocaine and so the person knew that it was money and the sole purpose of that money is to benefit and to induce. Trust me, the unscrupulous member of parliament will be arrested. If he's not arrested, we will not sleep. The police themselves will not sleep until they arrest. He is very unethical politician now. I'm not going to say, we're going to discuss or check to control Q. In fact, within the parameter of voting, when you say the kind of that now is a very restricted zone. The police are on duty for the sole purpose of ensuring that unlawful conduct will not take place within the perimeter of voting. So when this activity occurred, why didn't the police arrest the member of parliament?
Mustafa Gandhi na yetene nka ono ne twotwofo pani abedi akire edema NDC amanyo eko na wiai me kanfo na me de ma wo se baabi a wonam ene baabi a wokobia no ya abomoden se won sabe kamizo ene 5G ni bia busuade wo munie Dr. Silas Adawromanti baabi a wonam bia no enya de se wo so ma ehu ebo wonfikyire honom waboboa no ho baabi a wonam bia no mizo no de yafra ene de yemfra ye ewo ho nti asem no eyetietia number na egu TV na asem mu amutie radio no me bomo number no wo de yefra number no sia Dr. Silas Bejos na do bia opebia no wonsa atumi aka 0246 270 221 0246 270 221 Ewiai me kanfo na media ma wo se woni mo bia o complain se bia ayamtim sisi yade ene ade na ha no a aduro ba akopɛ na beboa no ye 3A Herbal Center na duro a wo de abadwa so ye frene se Coco Master no eno na me kanfo na media ma wo na tie yi emu asem ene se wo de no eye Coco anase bia ayamtim na ha wo no wanom se aduro ya wo batumi afoka akoba bia ya wo pesa wo kɔ ebra wo hawo ene amane bia eni akire ne sa ye nti sɛ ye wonim se aduro du wo no nom ne bia yamtim na sade a wontimi entu kwan no ye de no de entesa eno ne hia me pa me pesa wo hye ne nso pa ede ma ye na anikasam ene ahintasam abo akire ene se baabi ye to nduro bi te se Mr. Heba Colin Nag Dane Heba ena afi so apedank unya duru hope wo so wo pe 3A Herbal Center wona duru a ye friend se Coco Master no bi ede akodi udwuma bi 0546 107 107 0546 107 na ewiase aye ba ye maka e de a kire wo se ewiase obitimi kofa ade bi ba na obi nso esuesua na nso sa wo de kotrepompo ni toato aso ma motentene premere ye pekro ma no bro de enye pe de biara da ene sen ye ne sciatica expert no abusuade ka kire mo de a kire wo yare ya ye frɛ ne sa sciatica no eno so wo pa achi ho no mo fa wo to sirem na atwam na nkokom wa nantu na wo nan po na esifam no na ebeku ato atwene ano no abusua se emu hyehyew na emu ya wo ya emu twetwe wo pa de a bomoden biada se asem wa mekan ma no besi no wo be fa number no anase wo TV no a number na egu ase no ya friend de wo mu ne say yemkrabata na droso mantam du nsia nyina no wo fa number na egu ase na wo frɛ a na ya kyerɛ wo ba bi eben na waba wo kɔ ABC de ye no A no no ye ni B de ye ni B no ye ni C enti ɛho ɛhia kora se bi aba focus kyenkyena me kokuma se ba bia no ye bɔ adwuma enubena hahama enua hini emfidie bitibiti gidigidi pa ane ye de ye adwuma ɛwɔ hɔ doctors a wo honom so de bra ahaye kwa home nka na kase bia o ma ben ankasa 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 awiei won adawroma yebeto nkreta wona yaba yeba ensem pia ka kira edebeso de ama
the first clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siemu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siemu wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abasobo o magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketua wo mu ji international awards ahodo wo mu ji local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim hano ebini baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa. Wo mu de bibiduro ene besan ya no masa de machine aka ho. Eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no. Eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade. Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho. 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic. Wo mu ye sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved. Sompa TV, Emma Aketiapa.
Emma Aketiapa Sompa television area pram to broadcast here near to this ready ambassador mawono. What here ka wa sante mantemo ana sabno mantemo ana bropo ye mantemo a asenom eye Sompa FM. Ensem no ye kwa ye nim ewomu na efri me menda na nwumre ebesi enne awie ya ye kasei. Ebi a wonya bi ahwe apawa bi ya ejinchimhia ewo my Ghana mu asenom ne amansen wiase nyina no ene se na dodan kwa akufo do mampanyi wonani chire mu ewo damango wa bra na yabonra wone ne dom edi dwumaso bi ewo wesi wona so a wotonsa ede frɛ mampanyi ene ne dom se wonfo ani monyam emete akire na enum no ena bi no mede apawa ni mu John Dramani Mahama tonchen ena wo chiacha na nanom ahemfo a jese wo boni mu asede akire wonom ena efa baabi nso no mampanyi na dodan kwa akufo do nso a wo chiacha na nanom panyimfo bi asa wo ya ne nsante se obi a yese won sole bi ya jese ni nyina no aba beto dwase mampanyi amfa ni die ama nananom ene se nananom eba bechia na sa wokochia nananom a kwa bi so no amamre ni amane yentoto na sente no wasa wu mom ena wuto na moko hinanim na wo de nsa akwakoto nsan makoto no asore no se be ya ye nyina no ye betimi edi ye hu ni na so no de aba beto dwa di ase na dodan kwa akufo do amfa buo ene ni die ama ya mamre ene ya mane ene nananom a wonum edi animu eno na nam so amanfo ekeka no ena akwakọ piemo ewo eyasoye ya wonum ehwa ahensie ena esomfekuo ho nsam so na enam so ama wonum de krata babonten ekire se sasem ne apawo na nenam dwom no se wati bia eye hrodohura dansem no kra bababo ba kokora nim na yewura asamo boate wono ena etimasoya no wahwese no ne nanado dankwa akufo do ena ni omunyina ekire mu ewo damango na ewo abra na yabonwura wono wo kwa akochia no wose na adokọ nanim ena ekochia no nti obi ba abonten na obepempam nsam nwene nsam ye nkontompo sam eye ne nokora ese de ba abonten se obetum futuro de egu omanfo ani a ema obia enya so emfantie sansam no
indeed ye ko ye no ye chia me na no mi nanim ye wa ye ma nini kochia ye no wa we jam chana wa ye ma na penifo tete fam on bibi ti no se tuobo to wo jina ho chene no mi yi wo na mi dan ho no o de wo na ni o de ni wo se a wo so no so kochia ye ana mi jina ho chene no a ba ye na ni na kochia ya bo no a cha person no ye o ma any of free and traditional area no ko ye na wo so o man to ni ka chu bi so so no ma anti so bu na wo na cross area
ya bu na to a me tia no me no sese me dan ho man penishu ni akwaya no so ko tia no enti me asa no na mo na video no but how because of man penishu in short here so obi na ni because answer na ni be do na minister regional minister ni it's a party chairman for our more regional di ni mukai enti e na protocol for should be in kwanto asane yaba enti so obi ya na man penishu man penishu ti na man issue statement na the statement no so we take advantage of the kasa kakra ni futu ni akwanche ya mangu any the tradition kakra edituga na sabi o na ni na petu empenidie ina ye tsi kru obi to ni baba bi kwa na wo ti akodo aso ya branche na ono abaleti mba wo so de ma chance empenidie sabi
Tia Rasabi one ne so for ya hinsie na afenso ya so mfeku ahodo no wotua no ewo aseye ho
Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia enemu ewo epoye mantam sade de ka kirekiremu e de akyeremu no na ebra okopie mu ewo koforudua no town hall meeting ekoso mpanifo ne ade obi akọ ekotie nsam a Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia wote enamu nsam pii no ode atodwa wotrese nyame ya atomo a oba oka bibi fa eto ho enu achi TVET oka bibi de fa ho Free Senior High School no ne ade oka bi de fa ho ekyeremu se abanya abako nyina da no se wo hwe aban ya wo dadwene pa edema emabunu pa wo Ghana hase no a na wo dwene emabunu yi ye ho ani ade a na eye NPP aban no se wo de NPP aban no ne NDC amanyoko no etu nsene ani na wo ka se de wo dwene emabunu ho pa na eye NPP amanyoko no nsempi eno de ka ho Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia awusia yetoaso na yakoyanimu ewo nsamfoforo mu ayo na awia me kanfo na me ma wo se eyafo ni kyerem wota no so apatrapa new site ho Dr. Abe Efrel Abe Herbal Clinic udu ho no a honhom fam ene honam fam gentie wo sa wo do ani kyerem ewo Abe ho ne se nyese bia uduru ho na ye ma woduro ye nya daje etie wasem etie wo nsam a wode nam no ebi kura no akoma bia ma ya ma waduro bia ato yare no asensene no nya botre kyerɛkyerɛ wo de ekoye ne wudi nkomo sa de wote wo fie sa de wote wo bedroom a wone wo mpra na se bia wukunu bi edi enkomo no Dr. Abe wo bia ho adaje kyerɛkyerɛ yare no mu de entie wo se yare no wo se firi hani yare firi ha ne bae se na wo ya yare no bae saa de we manye twe ho firi we ho ba kyerɛkyerɛ no nyina wo wi a na wa ma waduro ehwemu bia so Dr. Abe eye ho adwuma na efiri dwoada ekosi efiada da bia ba ko to doctor ewo ho nyese bia ba ko da doctor ni ho doctor no ankasa ene wo ta no so apatrapa new site ho yare bia wo ye ho adwuma ehwemu bia so ye ho adwuma sickle cell no de the whole Ghana bia gitum say Dr. Abe of Abe Herbal Clinic de wono ana ekro 0243 34 5392 0243345392 now Wajos, of course we are the fastest internet in the world, cloud internet airflow our top high yani nuanum love fm di enhwanimu ade bia da ye fa internet ho bia no ye hu adwuma internet ho pempra de nyina no cloud internet na airflow top high haya yene yenuanu Love FM ene di enhwane mu wonya duru ho a asem no asi nti frɛ mo e was 0244 601-933 na 34 ajoso.
Yadi asede abaye Rosanti ebo Benedict wono eyesamufo panyiko kwa Veronica Jando ahofedua wono ekruche nsem ne bigu nkrata so satra fidie na chichinchim ne foma de mayen sa so na mesise Japan na yire akosia so mo asodela enso boaye ekruche nsem ne bibu zili caption mine Mami ya Grace Adepa ene edom ya one newsroom nyina eboa yen yade aseda emasunyane enafe enkwanza sompafo nyagopo ensure NCFo nyina Mr Dave wonom ene hweye etwa yen ede fa Sompa television so wie makenka fo mienu ene etena se ede nsem no ebeso mo medi do hene ire mame ekua yeboa asiama bronya enafe
nana kwabana kese ya sorry so ama Sompa enkomo abawa kwem so for mami premier ni ene ne dom ebetena se de wo bia no obi sisi obi abu kwase a obi achimu nsa fa kire age usika wode ko unhunu kura bi woni be ma na bre ne ade sansem nyina no boabo no de fa bre Sompa enkomo abedwafo na ombe cancel no siase e de mo e da asem wa